पोरू 1 जुलया सावन जीएसटी देशभर चालीक लागलो आणि गोंयांतूय व्हॅट कर प्रणाली बदलून जीएसटी लागू जालो। ताचो वर्सुकी दीस केंद्रीय आणि राज्य पावण्यारूय गोंय सरकारान पणजे मनयलो। सुरवातीचे 5-6 म्हयने सोडल्यार आता जीएसटी बऱ्यापैकी स्थिरावला म्हूण ऑफिसर उलयले। मात गोंयाक हो जीएसटी बऱ्याक पडटलो म्हूण जशें रंगीत चित्र उबें केल्लें तशी परिस्थिती ना।
Earlier, it was prior to implementation of GST, it was believed that consuming states will be benefited and exporting states or manufacturing states may face some of the revenue losses. But in practical, we have seen that the bigger states like Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu or Delhi, manufacturing and exporting states are doing better than the consuming states. We have been requesting in the council also to take a study of this. Last year, during the year 17-18, the protected revenue so-called for the state government of the subsumed taxes excluding petroleum and liquor, on an average, the state of Goa was supposed to collect 236 crores. We could collect on an average 200 crores.
माविनान स्टार हॉटेलांक 28% जीएसटीचो विशय काढलो। ही गजाल खंय गोयचे टुरिझम आणि स्टार हॉटेलांक बादता। ताणें 18% जीएसटीचो प्रस्ताव जीएसटी कावन्सिला मुखार काडला। जीएसटी कावन्सिलाच्या चडशा बसकांक गोयचे वतीन कमर्शियल टॅक्स आयुक्ता बरोबर सरकाराचो मंत्री म्हूण माविन आसता।
And it pains me as a minister from Goa that being a tourism state, that rooms above 7,500 are taxed at 28%. Savio Messias did make a grievance, and it's a grievance of not only Goa, of the entire hotel industry. Yes, this should have been a flat 18%. I have been fighting for it, and the assurance that was given by the Finance Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, was in the next council meeting, I will see that this is brought up, it is taken to the fitment committee, and you will get relief. But unfortunately, because of his illness, he did not attend any of the next 2 or 3 meetings. I expect this to happen in the near future. I want to mention to you, because I will keep fighting, I will make it happen.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।